Hello everyone, I'm your host Boss Zombie. Welcome back to Fallout 4. This is like my longest running series so far and it's perfect for it. So we gotta go. I think I know where to go. I explored Diamond City a little in my other file, so I think I know where the radio place is. These load times. Not as bad as other games, but they could be better. Come on, game. You can do it. Wham.
You hear about the battle between the Brotherhood and the Institute? The one at Bunker Hill? A bunch of people got killed or something. Total bloodbath.
That might have been my fault. Yeah, this way. I like the sprint function in this game that didn't exist in Fallout 3 New Vegas, but you don't get a lot of mileage out of it.
Oh, hi there.
Well, you seem nervous. What? Radio thing with buttons. Radio thing with dials. Radio thing with tubes. What?
Okay, let's try this.
Huh.
Hey, I mean, hi. Again, hi? Hi.
Travis,
Don't break my stuff if you don't mind.
Okay. Let's see. These are blue, this one's gray. This is dial?
maybe this goes...
No, that doesn't go there.
Here.
Radio thing with dials probably goes on this one.
Alright.
That matches.
In you
I
go.
don't, okay. I usually don't. This is why.
Okay, the poor guys. Tubes? Nope, that doesn't go there either. Oh man, they're all the same. They all have the same background. Buttons? No, buttons goes on the one over here, it looks like.
This radio station?
Damn it. Maybe not.
Well,
Maybe it does go here.
You'll notice there aren't any other ones. So...
No, guess that's not right. Maybe... Oh wait, maybe I have them backwards. So maybe... Tubes goes here. Oh! That made a sound. And this one turned on. And this one goes here.
Hey, I mean, hi.
Nope.
Again, hi.
Oh, the green lights were from that. So
Hi.
the dials go here. Ah! That goes there. Okay. And that really significantly changed the strength?
I don't.
Okay, shut up, Travis. Relax. I'm leaving. Poor guy. I don't usually... Oh, God. Poor guy. You gotta work on your confidence, man. That perk, rad resistance, is not as useful as you would think. It only gives you up to 30 rad resistance, and like, you won't see a significant change in rads until you're like in the hundreds. It's kind of a waste and a shame. Okay, father's in the green. Assuming he didn't move anywhere. up. No, wait, now he's down? What? Where is he? Now he's up. Oh, he's in the advanced systems?
I would not exist were it not for him.
Okay. I mean, it's free world. He can be wherever he wants, I guess. Oh, was this open before? I don't think it was. Ooh, am I gonna be the one to jumpstart the reactor? Because they let me do Prime. If the Brotherhood can let me power up their giant robot, then Sue can let me power up their infinite reactor. Oh, wait a second, this place. Hey, this is where you go with the Brotherhood. Don't mind if I do. I guess that makes sense, because you get over here to turn off the reactor. Hello. You're friends now. So wait, that raises the question, since I used the agitator on Prime in the Brotherhood playthrough, how did they power up the reactor in this one?
Sleep is such a waste of time. I'd rather be designing more efficient plasma emitters.
We're quite fortunate to have the synths.
That's a very weird way to view human function.
Enjoy your trip to the big city. It's done then? The transmitter has been modified.
It's ready.
Everything is in place. It's ready to go when we are.
Good. Once the reactor is online, we'll cut into their broadcast. I'll let you do the honors.
Ah, yep, there
This,
we go.
my friends, is the moment we've all worked towards. After all your effort, the time has finally come to start our reactor. No longer will we be forced to compromise to survive. No more will we need worry about outpacing our resources. My mother and I couldn't be more proud of what you have helped us accomplish. And we look forward to achieving even greater things in the future. The Institute is now truly mankind's best hope. Thank you. All of you.
Okay, that was a rousing speech. Reactor status. Is this safe to go inside? I should close this door. You should close this door. This is not safe. This is it?
I often wonder what the Institute's founders would think of our accomplishments.
This isn't a very large reactor, but I guess if it's truly efficient, it doesn't have to be. Extreme caution. Okay, are you gonna close that door? Okay, good. Whoa, ho, ho, ho! Even lead line, that's not safe.
Son?
It's almost hard to believe. After all those years of hard work, here we are. We've arrived. Look what you've made possible.
I did good work, didn't I?
Yes. Yes, you did. There's more work to be done before the Institute's future is guaranteed. The Directorate has convened a meeting about how to proceed. I'm not going to attend. You should be there as Director.
Oh, that's kind of depressing, actually. Now, where does this... Is this how I escaped last time? No, what's up here? What is up here? Whole lot of nothing. Excellent. Glad I wasted everyone's time. And save some time. Oh, you can really fall a long way in this game without hurting your legs. It's surprising. Why would the railroad let me help them up to this point, getting the reactor started and everything, and then intervene? Oh. Oh god, you guys are still making your way out? Yes, doors work like that. And...
A lot of us will have a hard time accepting an outsider as our next director.
yeah, everyone's got
Wasn't
drama.
expecting you to let us live.
So you will be our new director someday. That was unexpected.
There's no need to gloat. I'm man enough to admit that I lost.
Lost what? You fucker, he has such a chip on his shoulder. Something I don't understand about the Institute is if it's so much more advanced, their laser rifle weaponry isn't much better than... I don't think it is better than normal laser rifle stuff. Like, I think the trade-off is the Institute stuff does less damage, but... Oh, what? I'm in the wrong room. Less damage, but faster fire rate and less recoil or something like that? But...
Father is more than just our leader. He is our creator.
Ooh, you're a synth with nothing.
Remember to conserve power at every opportunity.
From what I hear, that rogue synth of the Battalia was a...
Oh, I get to sit in the big chair.
May I be the first to welcome you, ma'am. We're looking forward
I'll do
to
it in
working
third
with
person.
you.
Okay, I'm in the chair. Something wrong? Sit in the chair. Oh.
I'm happy to be here, Dr. Fillmore. I hope I do the position justice. I'm sure you will.
Right now, we're all here because it's finally time to stand up for ourselves.
Let's not be dramatic, Justin.
There's nothing dramatic about it. We're in a position to push back, to assert ourselves here. That's what we've talked about all along.
To bring you up to speed, obviously there are groups in the Commonwealth that stand in opposition to the Institute's goals. With the reactor now online, we have the ability to not only expand synth production, but to project power to a much greater degree.
I'm sure the reactor will improve everyone's life. It's a great accomplishment.
Yes, but it's not just that. The Directorate has agreed that steps must be taken to ensure our safety in the long run.
Let's just spit it out, shall we? The Directorate has decided that the Brotherhood of Steel need to be eliminated.
As the incoming director, we felt it important to inform you of the decision and get your thoughts on it. So, where do you stand?
Let's minimize the violence.
If this has to happen, we keep the violence to a minimum. We're not out to destroy the Commonwealth. Of course. It was never the intention to cause more harm than is necessary. As director, it's up to you and how we focus our efforts in achieving this goal. We'd like your input on what direction we should take. Do we increase synth production or focus on weapons development?
Ooh.
What would the results of this choice be? I'd like to make a well-informed decision. Well, if we increase synth production, we'd be able to deploy more of them to the Commonwealth to aid in our operations. Weapon development would improve the weapons we have available to us now, making our synths more effective in the field. Which would you prefer we focus on?
It's toughy. Synth production?
Synths are the Institute's greatest strength. The more we have, the better off we are. Well said. I'll see that the necessary steps are taken. That's all we have for the moment. I believe Father wished to speak with you once our meeting concluded.
Ooh. Did that trigger on the quest? Yes, it did.
Apologies. I have an urgent message from Z-114. Your quarters have flooded, ma'am. There is danger of extensive damage to your personal effects.
I'll go right now.
Time
Wow,
is of the essence.
3,000
To avoid
experience.
any undue tragedy, please see Z114 at once.
Ah, see, they want me end of the line. There we go. Wow, wait, I didn't level up twice? Boy, oh boy, what do I pick? What do I pick? I don't remember what I... Oh, pick that. What did I pick in my other one? That. My quarters. They're like on the other side, aren't they?
Time is of the essence.
So I guess this is like the perfect hard save point, because I can keep... Now I can go do the railroad stuff. And then once I've done that, and I can do the Institute stuff next. And it'll be perfect. It won't even take that long. Saving. Boop. Alright, my quarters are here. This one? Yeah. About damn time. The railroad might have like the longest story quest of all of them, it seems. And
What took R5 so long to reach you? You must act now. The Brotherhood of Steel has discovered the location.
How do you know
of the
that?
railroad.
What happened?
A friend who works in the SRB overheard something. She smuggled out a message. The Brotherhood knows of the railroad's lair. We can't learn anything more right now. Even delivering those few words put her in great peril.
I'll warn them right away.
Thank you. I was hoping for more time to organize a rebellion, but it's clear we cannot delay. Once you secure the railroad against the Brotherhood, tell your people we are ready to fight. Go. Now.
ready to bring out... What was that about my gun? Something about my companion? Railroad. Choo-choo. Oh, that was fast loading. Why am I here? Oh, never mind.
Tom wants you for something.
Shut up. Tom can wait.
I iced the coursers before they found Dean. This time, at least.
Establishing Mercer's safe house is a sign we're on the road to recovery. Thank you for that.
C1's rebellion is ready, but we have a crisis. The Brotherhood's on their way here.
What? What are you talking about?
You're still alive. I got here in time.
Jesus. Quick, take this. Tom made it for you. Sounds like we're going to need it. Everyone else, mobilize. We got Brotherhood incoming.
What did he make for me?
Defensive positions. Reinforce glory.
No trophy. I need to know what I got.
Move.
Oh. I'll level up again. Now what do I take? Boy, Oh, I'll take medic. Here they come.
Death to the sympathizers.
Oh shit. There's a knight. Whoa! Someone just went flying. Keep your head right there. It's perfect for me. Sorry, ma'am. I hear a choo-choo sound. I guess that must be the railroad rifle that makes that sound. Huh. Out of resources.
The escape tunnel is history. No one's coming in or out that way.
Who's this?
Glory's holding her off. Don't know how long she can hold out, though.
Now what?
Desdemona.
We're cut off. The catacombs are now our only way out.
We got lucky so far. No one's died.
I mean,
your warning saved us. Thank God.
I just pilfered a
You
dead
and the
man.
others go help Glory. Win that fight, or we're all dead.
I guess that guy didn't count. Where am I going? This way? Isn't this... Hey, excuse... Drum... Hey, asshole, get out of the way. Old North Church. So I have to go through the tunnels I used to get here, I guess? Okay, I'll do that in the next episode. So thanks for joining me. Come back, I'll have the next stuff up real soon. But until then... Bye.